Welcome to my blog, Crafternoons with Friends. I'm still struggling to make a banner that I really like, but I was able to take my Bitmoji and make it me holding some scissors. I actually edited those in, so I'm kind of happy with my editing skills. But I still don't like the format, and of course the lack of color is not very inspirational. But I do like the fact that this blog post that I just recently did highlights some of the problems and mistakes I've made while crafting. I think it makes it a little bit more accessible for those of you who are a little bit afraid to be creative, such as my recent Valentine's Day card fail when trying to make something for my mom. Additionally, I've already done my live tweeting event with the the QuiltCon show, and that was one of my other posts. But I have it a blog, as I mentioned, for over a decade. So as you scroll down, you'll actually notice some of the older posts when I lived in Madison, Wisconsin, and when I was in Iowa City, Iowa. So you'll see a variety of my work and a whole bunch of my quilts, which I thought was kind of fun to share because it is really the basis for where I've started being crafty all these years. It's kind of fun too because I forgot about a lot of these quilts that I had done. Anyway, as we scroll down a little bit further, you can also see, again, some more of my old quilts, but then some of the Twitter updates I've done, as well as my Instagram feed, where you get to see a lot of the various projects I make. Finally, at the bottom here, where did Crafternoons with Friends come from? So again, I'm still not thrilled with the outlook and or the layout and the format, and of course the colors, but it does explain a little bit about the crafting experience. And because this really isn't a professional blog, as far as for work, I wanted to do something a little bit more friendly with my disclaimer, so I kept it kind of general, and again, it is Crafternoon with Friends, not Crafternoons with Jerks, so I thought all my readers would get a point from seeing that. Anyway, that's my blog.